Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It's Tuesday, the 21st of July. Let's get to that weather wisdom for today. Sorry about that on yesterday. I was up in Maine and, frankly, full transparency, just slipped my mind. So we are sponsored by Volante Farms in Needham for all your garden needs. And you can still be doing some planting, and we've got a little bit of rain coming in for the plants. Most of that will come in this afternoon and overnight tonight. And then we'll get a little bit more of the possibility for shower activity tomorrow. We continue with the entire state in abnormally dry conditions, moderate drought or severe drought. That severe drought running from Essex County down through Middlesex, Norfolk County, Plymouth County, onto the Cape, Dutchess, Dukes. It's all drier than average, and we could really use a lot of rain. It's amazing, too, because there was 4 to 8 inches of rain over the past few weeks across the Cape, the islands, the southern part of southern New England, but still, we've just been so dry around here. I'm wondering if we will finally start to turn the corner with El Nino kicking, and that is possible. Temperatures today in the 80s, humidity levels creeping up. Boy, have you enjoyed the dry weather the past couple of days? Unfortunately, that's not going to last. Dew points getting into the 60s and then eventually 70s tomorrow. Speaking of tomorrow, it'll be mostly cloudy, a few showers, maybe a downpour, but it will not rain all the time, into the 80s, a little breezy too. If you're heading out in a boat, be aware, I don't think it's going to be great boating weather tomorrow. I don't talk about that maybe as much as I should, but tomorrow will not be a great day out on the water with choppy seas. Then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all look sunny, temperature around 80. It looks like a great stretch of weather upcoming. So if you're on vacation this week, you kind of got to deal with, especially late afternoon today, but tomorrow's kind of one of those days where if you're on vacation, it's your movie day, it's your shopping day, it's your indoor day, reading day, but then it's outside days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Have a great day, everybody.